Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we're unboxing something big.
Hello there.
This is a it's not even fitting in camera. Well, this is um a body scale that's not only supposed to track your weight but everything, literally everything. So I just want to see if there's any details on the box, which I can't really. Uh, there's something written here. It says Smart Scale, Smart Health, Simplified. Okay, it's the same thing everywhere. Just saying. All right, let's see the bottom of the box. Here, there's a ton of information. Over here is where you can see the full body, all the information it's doing. Yep, you can see weight, BMI, body fat, blah 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 blah, body water, skeletal muscle. I have no idea how it's going to do all this, but that's why we're here. We're going to find out. It has Bluetooth connectivity to your phone. It can sync to Apple Health and all the other health apps out there, basically. Yeah. And yeah, it has its own dedicated app, which we're going to be trying out too. So let's just see. I'm going to open this. I don't know how I'm going to put it on here. Yeah. Okay. Ready, go. Oh, interesting. Okay, it came nicely padded. That's good because I didn't know what this was when I brought it, and I kind of, I don't know, turn the box around a lot. All right. Okay, it's stuck. Hold on. I have to throw these boxes away. Oh, look, it has come with 3 batteries. Okay. This is from the company RENPHO, if you guys haven't already seen. Right. At least the scale is fitting on the table, not the box. Right. We have a manual about it. Using your scale, blah blah blah. Make sure your feet are in place. I have no idea how it's going to measure all the things it claims to be able to measure. We are going to find that out. And don't judge me when we do. Right. We need the batteries, so we need to get this open. Let's... Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay. All right, you have our batteries. I think this is AAA batteries, 3 AAA batteries. Now, the scale has come covered in this plastic that we can take off, hopefully without destroying anything. Ready? Let us open this. Oh, nice. See, that's good mechanism right there. 1, 2, 3. And boop. Ta-da! Nice. We have a scale all working. Anyways, I'm gonna try the app out, and I will add it to this video about the app and how the app looks like and works, how it can sync to Health, Apple Health, and how it also measures all the things it says it measures. So, yep. Alrighty, let's try this out. We have the scale here, we have our app here, right there, RENPHO. Okay, so when you get into the app, you actually have to go through like a small survey, and then you have to sign in into your account. Then you can go to this Me section on the right side, and you can click on apps, and you can sync to Apple Health. You can click on start synchronization, whatever. Yep. So as you can see, you can input all calories and activity and stuff you did today for some reason. Yeah, so now we can add a device, and let's just say body fat scale. That's the one. There's a device on the hardware, and step on the device. Turn on Bluetooth and pair. There you go. Device added successfully. Awesome. Okay, yep, that's my... Oh, save data. It's supposed to measure more, right? Okay, sorry. How do we do this? Let's open it again. Measuring. Okay. Let's measure that. What else? Oh, whoa. Look at this. Look at this. It has got weight, BMI, body fat percentage, skeletal muscle. How did it get all this? Fat-free mass. Total fat, body water, muscle mass, bone mass. Wow, protein 18%. High protein, nice. Metabolic age is 21, perfect. I'm 21, yeah.